Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the book summary of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. What if I told you that the most powerful tool in your life is not your muscle, your money, or even your mind, but something hidden deep inside it, your subconscious. This invisible force decides whether you succeed or fail, whether you stay sick or heal, and whether you live in fear or freedom. In this video, we will explore Dr. Joseph Murphy's timeless classic, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. You will discover how your thoughts become reality, how your beliefs shape destiny, and how you can reprogram your mind for health, wealth, and happiness. Stay till the end because I will share three powerful subconscious reprogramming techniques that Dr. Murphy used to change thousands of lives. Chapter 1: The Hidden Power Within You. Your mind has two parts, the conscious and the subconscious. Your conscious mind is like the captain giving commands. Your subconscious mind is the obedient crew, it never questions orders. Whatever you feed it, it executes. Example, if you keep saying I cannot afford it, your subconscious ensures you never can. But if you affirm I can create the money I need, it starts finding ways. Dr. Murphy said the law of your mind is the law of belief. What you believe, not what you wish, is what becomes your reality. Chapter 2: The Subconscious Never Sleeps. Even when you sleep, your subconscious is awake, healing, digesting, creating, manifesting. Example, Murphy tells of a woman who repeated every night, "Every cell of my body is perfect and whole." Within months, her chronic illness disappeared. Science later confirmed positive autosuggestions can influence body chemistry. Takeaway: never go to sleep with negative thoughts. Plant seeds of peace, health, and abundance before you drift into dreams. Chapter 3: How to Use Your Mind for Wealth. Murphy believed that poverty is a mental state, not a permanent condition. Your outer world is just a reflection of your inner belief. To attract wealth, you must become wealth conscious. Exercise, repeat daily. I am prosperous. Wealth flows to me freely and abundantly. Visualize money as energy flowing like air, available to everyone. Chapter 4: Healing Through the Subconscious. Murphy practiced mental healing for years. He saw people recover when medicine failed simply by changing their beliefs. Example, a doctor once told his patient he would live only a few months, but the man said to himself daily, "God's life flows through me. I am healed." He lived decades longer. The subconscious controls body functions. When you visualize perfect health, you send healing commands to every cell. Chapter 5: The Subconscious in Relationships. Your subconscious reacts to your feelings about others. If you hold resentment, it poisons you, not them. Tip: forgive, bless, and let go. When you remove negative energy, you invite harmony. As you change your mind about others, they change towards you. Example, a woman who hated her boss visualized him as a kind and cooperative. Within weeks, their relationship transformed. Chapter 6: The Law of Attraction Explained. Before The Secret, there was Dr. Murphy. He explained the law of attraction through the law of belief. Example, whatever you emotionally accept as true becomes your experience. You attract what you are, not what you want. Affirmation: I attract only good because I think only good. Chapter 7: How to Reprogram the Subconscious Mind. Let's explore 3 steps technique Murphy suggested. Step 1: Relaxation. Quiet your mind, slow your breathing, be still. Step 2: Affirmation. Speak a clear statement in present tense. Example, I am confident and successful. Step 3. Visualization. See and feel your goal as already achieved. Emotion is the bridge to your subconscious. When thought and feeling unite, miracles happen. Chapter 8. Faith versus Fear. Both faith and fear are beliefs. One creates and other destroys. Your subconscious doesn't care if what you believe is positive or negative. It simply obeys your dominant thought. Moral. Replace fear with faith. When you think I can't, your subconscious shuts down. When you think I will, it finds the way. Chapter 9. Success and the Subconscious. Success begins with a mental blueprint. Every great inventor, artist, and leader visualized success before achieving it. Example: Thomas Edison imagined the light bulb thousands of times before it became reality. Murphy says, see yourself as successful and you will act successful. Exercise. Write your success statement. I am calm, confident, and capable of achieving my goals. Read it daily. Chapter 10. Final Wisdom. Your subconscious is like a garden. Whatever you plant, doubt or faith, fear or love, grows. So choose your thoughts wisely, speak only what you want to manifest. And remember, your subconscious is your silent servant waiting for directions. Murphy said, you are the gardener of your mind, sow seeds of happiness, peace, and prosperity. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more book summaries, and comment. I am reprogramming my mind to affirm your new beginning.